This is one of the smallest and cutest power bank I used. If you are looking for a compact power bank, yeah, I got you covered. Let's unbox Spigen Arc power bank with 5000 mAh battery and supports up to 22.5 watts as output. It feels very premium in hand. It has metal body. It supports two-way charging, which means we can charge any device using this power bank while it is in charging state. A button at the back which indicates how much juice left in power bank. I like this flippable type C which delivers 18.5 watt output, and it also comes with inbuilt stand for the mobile. The downside is only one port delivers 22.5 output. Overall, it is very compact and easy to carry device which fits in your pocket easily.